In this video, I will discuss about how to find the distance and displacement. So in this particular example, you have a biker who rides 20 miles here, the 20 miles west. First he travels 20 mile west and then he turns back and travels 80 mile east. So from this to information, you have to find out what is his net distance and what is his net displacement. So the distance is the total path traveled. How much you have traveled is the distance. So of course you have traveled 20 miles and 80 miles. That's the total length you have traveled. That's the total path you have traveled. So the distance is 20 plus 80 is 100 miles. It doesn't matter in which direction you move. As you have covered some path, everything, even an inch, counts towards the distance. So it's the total path traveled that is called the distance. And now the displacement is how much you are displaced from your starting position is the displacement, or how far you are from your starting position is the displacement. So you started from this point, you travel 20 miles and finally you are at this point. So that means this is your starting position, that's your starting position, and this is your final position. So you are in fact this much distance from your starting position. Okay. So the displacement will be simply equal to the length here, this length here, which is this length is in fact 80 mile and this is 20 mile. So this must be 60 mile, the 60 mile. And remember, the displacement is a vector quantity. This is a scalar quantity. That means it doesn't depend upon in which direction you move, but the displacement has a direction. So in this case, you have to write down the displacement, the direction is along east direction. So I'm simply writing here the east direction. Okay, and in any case, the distance is always greater than or equal to displacement. And here when I say the displacement here, that means the magnitude here. The magnitude, the distance is always greater than the magnitude of the displacement. So if you have any question on the distance and displacement, let me know and I'll post another videos if you have any question or confusion. Thank you very much.